Hi guys, Tyler here. Today we're going to be having a launching day. Launching day is usually a few rockets, but today we only got 2 rockets, so should be fine. We have the MX Bullet, which is going to go first, and the backfire. Now you might be wondering why I'm not saying estes, simply because these were custom-made rockets from the Estes Designer Special. The Designer Special includes parts. The box says to build 8 rockets, and you can make your own custom design and fin design what you want. So, cool part. Now, the very cool part is we're launching them. So, this is Trev's rocket, so he's gonna go first. Okay, Trev, let me back up. All right, start it. Woohoo! I don't know if you can see in the camcorder over there. Oh yeah, I got the rocket. Does it come down a lot better, Trev? Yeah, we're gonna get that thing back. The wind's gonna drive it a little bit. Oh, I lost it. Oh, there it is. Barely got it, but nice launch.
Oh man, I hate that smell.
Rotten eggs. That was a good launch.
Oh,
that worked. Very nice. Stinks, but it's cool. All right. Thanks for watching. Tyler here. As in the last video, you saw the MX Bullet fly up, and we got it back. It was over there, very close to the launch pad. Now we have the backfire rocket, my rocket that I built. It's the biggest one in my rocket collection. 25 inches with a 24-inch parachute. It really does float, but I think we're gonna get it back anyway.
Wait, Tyler.
Yeah. Here. Okay, my brother's gonna go ahead and press go 3, 2, 1 while I take video. Take over the rest. Okay. Hold on, Trev. All right, are we ready? Go ahead. There's the chute. It deployed. Very good. I can barely see it in the camera. I don't know. I don't think I can see it because of the sun. Hopefully I got it on the video. Yeah, I think I got it. That's what it did last time. All right. Hopefully I got that on tape. Sorry if I didn't get the chute on it, simply because the sun's in my way. But I think we successfully recovered the rocket, and he's got it. All right, bring it back up here. Good thing too we launched this time. Now it's starting to get windy. Okay, forgot to announce the rocket motors on the rockets. On the Bullet, MX Bullet, was a E44 rocket motor, and my backfire was on a C63. That 25-inch looks like some kind of D-engine rocket, but no, that's a standard engine right there, folks. To get from the Estes Designer Special, you can make them light, and then them C63s can really carry them up there. So, get it covered back?
Yep.
Huh.
And then a small one.
Oh, but I think it's alright, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so that's the ending of the video. See you later, guys.